Alright, so today we're going to shave Brandon's 0304 Cobra Terminator rear bumper. And right now in the booth, it's like 40 degrees out. I don't know why. Yesterday it was like 60. So anyway, we have Brandon's Terminator hood, the backside all prepped with Scotch-Brite, scuff pad. I'll link some of those in the description. We just got to wipe it clean before we start spraying. This is going to go dark shadow gray. And then this is Chris Ladd's Cowl hood for the SN95 right here behind us, the Mystic car. So we're gonna get some Mystic today. So I'm gonna you gotta base it with black for Mystic or Mr. Chrome, both of them. So I'm gonna leave this intersection right here black and not clear coat it, just like Celine did back on their SN95s. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Letting it warm up. Brent's on his way over here, and I don't know. We're gonna get some stuff done today. So. Be back after I start spraying. Brandon got some new seats. Check these out. He's got the new steering wheel as well, so he can pop it off and hang it as he ghost rides down the interstate. He's gonna do a charcoal interior swap. He's already got the back panels. He just needs door panels and then the dash. He's already got the new carpet. So it's looking good, Brandon. Got your hood in there, ready to paint. Still got to shave the bumper today. And then Brent's over here putting the core support on Steve's car. So he already welded up some of the stock little holes. And now we're grinding to get this prepped, ready to weld. And then we'll be putting the Scott rod panels on this as well, just like Tim's car. And then they're both going to be getting primer, and we're going to paint them at the same time. Good. Shout out to Bobby, because that's Bobby's hoodie. Bobby doesn't watch these videos though, but that's funny as hell. Alright, so we're going to go back in the paint booth then. Alright guys, we're back in the paint booth. I have Brandon's Terminator hood cut in. I wrapped it up. You can see the black paint over there. If I don't cover it up with plastic, then the black base coat from Chris's hood would land on there and then turn it black. So that's why you have to cover them up, and then I'll untape it or unwrap it, and then we'll clear them both together. But right now what's going on here is I based the entire hood in black, as you have to for Mystic or Mr. Chrome, and then the inside is the like raw looking fiberglass. So like I did on Klein Dalton's car, the Tiffany blue car, if you guys saw it, I did his hood just like this, where I left this matte black. And I'm going to also leave the grills back here. I hate when people paint cowl hoods and paint this grill piece the same color as the hood. It just looks really shitty when the hood's popped, and when you're inside driving and you're looking at the grill, because you can't notice it while you're in the car. It's just, I don't know, it's just not that detailed, and I think it's just kind of half-assed that they didn't have the time to tape it up. So anyway, I'm doing it like this. So I'm gonna, now it's ready to tack off, because I'm sure I got a little dust on it from taping all that up. It took me probably 25-30 minutes to do that, and made sure all the lines are crisp. And now it's ready to spray about 3 coats of Mystic down, and then clear coat it, and then we will untape this tomorrow after this has set, and then it'll leave that black just like you see right here. So it's going to be awesome. I'm excited for that. So after I base this with the correct amount of coatings, I'm going to untape the plastic on Brandon's Terminator hood. And then we're going to clear them both together, and then they'll sit for a couple days, and then we can flip them over and paint the outsides of them. I'll do Brandon's when I do the Terminator shaved rear bumper, and then I'll do this when I paint the fenders and stuff. That way I'm not using as much materials to paint only, you know, 1-2 panels. I'll paint 5 or 6 panels at once to get the stuff done and out of the way, and not use up booth space and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, right now I got the gun ready to spray Mystic. So spray Mystic, and then I'm gonna head over to Louisville. Brent, we ran out of gas in the welder, so we're gonna get some of that before they close, and then we're going to finish welding up the Fox body out here. So that's what's going on now. So let's go check on Brent.
Alright, it's No Hood Friday. I'm just kidding, it's Wednesday. Alright, so we ran out of gas, pretty sure, on the welding tank. We were welding all those holes up, and she just ran out of wire actually first, and then we put new wire in it, and it's exactly the same wire. So anyways, engine bay on, this is Steve's car. It's It's all going to be white. So I know you're looking at red right now, like Cabernet, but that is not what color it's going to be. But the welds just look like junk, so we're going to have to like grind all that back off and re-weld it. Not a big deal, but it's going to get Scott Rod panels. Everything is fitting pretty good. We're pretty excited. We even put the bumper brackets in there and put bolts in it just so we knew it was straight. So it's looking good. Technically it'll end up looking something similar to this. So we got Bondo on that side. It's still not done, but it's closer. But that's what we just did. I did just the other day. So looking good. It's getting exciting. Getting some hot foxes just like ours. I love this freaking 85, 86. I don't know what year it is. I got the title, but I don't know. We got to transfer it over, and I just want to go and I want to get it painted. So whoever primed it honestly did a really crap job. So we're gonna have to go and sand it all the way down. We were hoping not to do that, but they seriously just taped it up, and you can see like taillights. They just taped it up. They didn't even take the taillights out. Like, this is the kind of stuff that we're honestly used to getting and that we hate dealing with, because they just threw primer probably over not even like prepped paint. So that's why it's like all flaking off. All right, focus, there you go. That's why it's all flaking off and it just looks like junk, because someone was lazy and they didn't like the color of the car. I think the car was black, honestly, or like a gray. Kind of hard to tell. Let's see. So yeah, whatever color this is, it's really hard to tell. I'd love to like just get a quick buffer out or something and see. But honestly, like, the car is like not rusty at all, so like everything's nice. The door's pretty good. It's just got some spiderweb dust, but just like baby surface rust right there. The rest of it's actually really nice, so we're excited to tear into this thing and have some fun with it. I love the dash, even though it's all messed up. Got an extra header panel right there. Automatic. Love this, what I consider the helicopter dash. So my 86 did not have that. Mine was just gray, but like I think SSP cars got this. So anyways, maybe we'll make this SSP. I don't really want to paint another car black. I mean, I love black, but I don't think I want to do black again. But I'd love to see it. I don't know, dark shadow gray is what I think we're thinking. I don't know, something different. I mean, there's a few cars out there that are like that, but the car looks cool. We love it. New shop project. Like, we don't have enough of them. I guess we finished Babs. We really need to finish Tyler just because he got shaved bay. We just don't know what fucking wheels to put on it. I mean, not wheels, what engine to put in it. So, anyways, a lot going down the shop, and we'll get it knocked out. That pulley goes to Christian's car. The water pump on Christian's car. Sally? No, don't you dare. Don't you do that. No, because...
Alright guys, we just got back from Louisville, got the tank refilled or exchanged, and now we got Brandon's dark shadow gray underside hood unwrapped. It's ready for clear coat. And then we have Chris's Mystic Cowl hood ready for clear coat. And again, we're not going to untape the middle until after we clear coat, so tomorrow I'll untape that. And we'll be set. So I got the gun and the clear all mixed up, ready to go. So I'm going to spray this, and we'll be back in about 10 minutes. I'll show you guys the result. It should really make both these colors pop after the clear coat's laid down. It should give it a lot of depth. So yeah, I'm going to spray some and then we'll be back. There's a little present for you, Brandon, right there. And then here is Chris's Mystic Cowl hood. I went ahead and untaped it because I couldn't wait. I used some fast hardener, so it got kind of tacky real quick. So I left these grills black right here, not clear coated, and I left the underside here black, not clear coated. Now if we would have clear coated this, it really kind of looks like shit, because you see how it's like a textured true fiberglass right there. I've cleared them before and they look weird and they're hard to clean. So just leaving it like a flat like this, like we do the mirrors and the all the trim and moldings and stuff like that, it just makes it look a lot better. So we'll see if we can get the color change. It's kind of hard in here. It's a little bit. Doesn't have quite the gold, I guess. Well, right here kind of gold a little bit. Went ahead and marked that too. So I think we're going to go ahead and put the belt routing sticker up here, and then whatever else Chris orders or we order for him. So anyway, I suggested this to Chris. I just thought it would look good. He didn't really know what I was talking about, but I did Kleins like this. I showed him pictures and he loved it. So Chris, I hope you like it, man. It took me 20-25 minutes to tape it up. Everything's crisp and neat, and it really looks good. It's going to really stand out from anyone else's Cowl hood. And like I said, when you're actually driving in it, you will see that it's black. I mean, it doesn't stick out as much as if it was white or yellow and then the black grills, but you'll notice just because it's done like that. So anyway, got that done. That's going to sit for probably tomorrow's Thursday, so Friday we'll probably flip it, sand the top of the hood, maybe paint that. We got cell panels to paint, A-pillars to paint, side scoops to paint, mirrors to paint. Got a lot of exports mirrors. I got 5 pair export mirrors. Well, one off of 0304 Cobra, but you guys are sending me a lot of mirrors and a couple more emails about asking about mirrors, so send them in, man. I can't believe we got 5 within the last 2 weeks. So we're going to be doing a lot of export mirrors. A lot of them are going black. One pair might go Bright Link blue, and so on. So yeah, just give me an email and I'll give you a price. It's anywhere from, you know, 150 to 250 depending on the color. Something like this will be a lot higher because the paint's expensive. But we'll go from there. Brent's going to finish up welding that core support on in the morning. And I don't know, we're going to work on, I guess, put the Scott rod panels in, and then we'll start mudding, and then we'll prime Steve's car with Tim's car, and then start painting the engine bays, and then working on Tim's on the underneath for the we're going to paint the floor pans and then put the subframe connectors that he bought brand new from late model. So we're going to do all that. So anyways, we're out for today. So subscribe so you don't miss any more on the Mystic. We're going to paint it coming up soon in the next couple videos, so you guys don't want to miss it. So we'll see you guys then.